Today we'll be looking at the belt tensioner for the y-axis and the x-axis. This item is so nice, and I don't know why nobody bought it. Maybe they're first to the market, but I was the first to buy it from Amazon. It works as advertised. All you have to do was remove the old belt holder, or what you call it, and then install the new one. Once installed, you can always loosen the belts or tighten it up. Right now it's really loose. You can see that it's just flip-flop all over the place there. Now I'm just going to tighten it by turning it clockwise as you normally would for anything else. And now it's nice and tight. Again, a little bit loose here. Let's tighten it up. Now it's nice and tight. Once I'm done with my print, all I have to do is loosen it up. If I know that I'm not going to be printing for a while, I just loosen it up so that way it doesn't stress the belt out too much, thereby increasing the longevity of the belts. I don't know why other belt tensioner is not great, because it comes up, thereby you lose some Y space, but this one is perfectly flat, so that's why you do lose any Y spacing. You can see the bed go directly over it, like so. Same thing with the x-axis. There's no space loss whatsoever. This is one of the best upgrades that you can ever have on for your Ender 3. Hope this helps with your 3D prints, and if you have any questions, feel free to ask me in the comment section.